na kayo at tayo ay alagang-alaga sa PMCC Fourth Watch. No one is left orphaned. Our most beloved apostle for 50 years led this wonderful community and congregation. For 50 years, he built this church, empowered by the Lord Jesus Christ and by his apostolic calling from scratch. Now, the PMCC Fourth Watch is in 82 plus and counting countries of the world. Here in the Philippines, we are being considered as a religious force to reckon with. Sa ating nakaraang krusada lamang, dito lang yan sa Metro Manila. Dito lang yan sa Metro Manila. Sa biyaya ng Panginoon, nakaabot tayo ng 65,000 people consisting of delegates and guests, visitors.